What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best water dispensers for home available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. We're starting our list with our top overall pick, the Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler. This machine is packed with functionality. It's a premium machine at a fair price. Let's take a look at what's on offer. This is an innovative bottom loading water cooler design. Bottom loading designs are often considered much more convenient. Not only do you not need to lift the bottle high to load the machine, but you also don't have to flip it, risking a big spill all over your floor. Bottom-loaded machines utilize a pump system to draw the water up through the cooler. The Avalon also offers 3 temperature control settings: hot, medium, and cold. We were impressed at the true range of these settings. The cold setting is very cold, and the hot setting is much hotter than you'd expect from a water cooler. There's also a built-in nightlight so you can pour in the dark. Also, the product is ENERGY STAR approved and features a safety lock on the hot setting. Overall, it's just a quality water cooler that works. It has all the features that most consumers would need, and it's priced very fairly for what you get out of the package. It takes the top spot on our list for this reason. Number 2. Brio Limited Edition Water Dispenser. Brio is a brand that we like, and here's a great top-loaded cooler from them. This is more toward a premium top-loaded cooler and features all the designs you might expect to see on a top-end machine. Although many may be put off by the inconvenience of top-loading machines, they do sport one notable advantage: being able to see when the water is running low. This dispenser features 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature. This is perfect for the person who finds the cold setting a bit too cold for drinking. Another convenient feature is the bottom-loading water jug design. Just set the water jug in the bottom and the dispenser is ready to go. If you have children, you'll be happy about the child safety lock on the hot water that protects your kids from accidentally getting burned. Small features also make your life a little better, like 3 separate temperatures to choose from, or the nightlight that makes it easy to see what you're doing when you go for a drink in the middle of the night. We also like the real look of this machine. It's one of the sleekest machines on our list. The stainless steel design works well with the jet black components. It fits right into any modern kitchen. And when it comes to a machine this big, style becomes a major consideration. Overall, a great top-loaded machine. Works great, looks great, and sports all the features of a top-end dispenser. Number 3. Igloo Top-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. For our top budget pick, we have the classic Igloo water cooler. You've probably seen Igloo water coolers, as they're one of the most traditional names in water dispensers. It can hold up to 5 gallons of liquid, and its insulated form can be filled with ice to keep your drink cool for up to 3 days. If you just need a basic water cooler that works, then you've come to the right place. The Igloo features a classic all-white design, reminiscent of the water coolers you grew up with. It fits right into a traditional or modern kitchen. There are hot and cold settings, and the temperature adjusts quickly. There are push buttons on the front of the machine for easy dispensing. Because water coolers are great, but they sure are bulky. If you don't have the space for one, then this space-efficient option from Igloo is a great solution. Overall, there isn't much notable here except that it's a basic top-loaded dispenser that works. You can set this up and rely on it for many refills to come. Number 4. Avalon A1 Top-Loading Cooler Dispenser. Moving on from the Avalon bottom-loading cooler, let's check out its flip side, the Avalon Top-Loading Cooler. This is the traditional water cooler design that you're probably used to seeing. A top-loaded cooler uses the power of gravity to dispense water. The one downside is that most of us have experienced the arduous process of having to load one of these machines. Lift, flip, and quickly place the jug of water on the machine before it spills. It's not overly difficult, but more difficult than a bottom-loaded machine. Either way, this is an impressive top-loaded cooler, albeit quite basic in its design. It simply has everything you'd expect from one of these classic machines. We particularly like the hot and cold water spouts that offer a range of temperature options. The cold is frigid and the hot is piping hot. Cold is great for drinking, while hot can save you time in making soups, coffee, tea, or any other hot water recipe. Aside from all this, it's ENERGY STAR approved and has a child safety lock on the hot water tap. Overall, It's a simple water cooler that we like. Number 5. Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Water Dispenser. The Brio Water Cooler Dispenser is one of the more expensive dispensers we've tested. We expected good things from it, but were sorely disappointed. It suffers from several issues, including being overpriced for what you get. However, there were some things about it that we liked. This dispenser features a convenient bottom loading design that we appreciated. It's also got 3 temperatures of water with a separate nozzle for each. But when you go to pour water, you'll quickly realize that the lights for the hot and cold dispensers are misplaced. This could easily lead to an accident, causing someone to inadvertently burn themselves. We also weren't thrilled with the cheap materials used to construct this dispenser. It's easily dented and ours was even dented in 2 places out of the box. For such an expensive product, we certainly expected more. This easy-to-maintain water dispenser simplifies your life with a bottom-loading tray. You can place a 3 or 5 gallon jug in the base cabinet with ease. So, it avoids the hassle of lifting heavy water bottles. As soon as you click the button, the water gets pumped up. Also, you have the option to choose from hot, room temperature, or cold water. So, whether you want to refresh after a long, tiring day with cold water or prepare a hot beverage, the choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.